It's too hot out for baked mac and cheese, so let's make creamy stovetop mac and cheese. It's so easy to make and it's so, so good. Let's make it. So you have to grate your own cheese, and the quality of the cheese does matter. If you use a high quality, delicious cheese, it will turn out amazing. I prefer Gouda or Gruyere, but a good cheddar works as well. You'll need equal parts butter and flour and cook it for about 2 minutes over medium-low heat to eliminate that raw flour taste. I like to stir it occasionally, and then add in your half and half. Do not use milk or heavy cream for this recipe. This is a fail-proof recipe, but make sure to use half and half. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until it thickens, then turn off the heat. Add your cheese and some spices. For the spices, I used garlic powder, onion powder, dry mustard is optional, and some salt and pepper. The exact measurements are on my blog. Add the al dente macaroni, mix it in. This cooks in under 25 minutes. Feel free to throw in some fresh chives for extra flavor or some truffle oil, crispy bacon, whatever you want. I hope you make it because it truly was so good. Enjoy.